Hi, I'm Jude and welcome to another episode of Same Room, Different Look. For this episode, I'm going to show you how I decorated my dining table for Christmas. So let's get started. Every year, I base my theme on different colors. So this month, I decided to go with more reds and greens. I added gold and silver to add some sparkle. Candles are always a must in my deco as it adds to the ambience. This round, I made my own candle stands. The glass one was made with a vase and a bowl, and the silver one I glued a lamp stand to a silver plate. Add some Christmas ornaments to give the touch of Christmas. As for the light above the arrangement, I hung some Christmas balls of different sizes and colors, and a Christmas garland to complete the look. Hope this has given you some ideas on how to dress up your dining table for Christmas. If you like what you've seen, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Until then, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!